It is the first day of May and it is 45 degrees outside. It felt like 34 when I woke up this morning because the wind has been blowing for like the last 2 days. What are you gonna do? So today, like I said, is Beltane. I'm going to be doing some baking, some cleaning, some sewing, all things generic and domestic to celebrate this holiday. We're gonna be doing some pumpernickel bagels and some shortbread and some fun things for my Beltane picnic this evening, which is going to be moved indoors because one of the ways that you celebrate Beltane is with bonfires, but obviously it would not be safe to have a bonfire outside when it's this windy, and also I don't think it'd be very pleasant either. So fortunately I have a fireplace and I have a little coffee table that will serve very nicely as a picnic table, so when my friend comes over this evening we can still enjoy our little Beltane celebration. Alright, so the baking is done for today, and I think I'm going to take us on a little surprise expedition. Renninger's Antique Market near my house is holding an oddities bazaar today, so I want to go and see what spoopy things I can find. Not buy more plants. I will not buy more plants. I will not buy more plants. Alright, so that was fun. It's a little more of a goth vibe than I personally ascribe to anymore, but maybe 15-year-old me would have really taken a kick out of it. But I did walk away with a really cool piece of art for the house. I don't know if you can see it. Get a better shot when I get home maybe, but it's an old theater that has been abandoned. It says Science School in Newark, New Jersey, but the photographer was not sure exactly where it was or what the name of the school was. From a photographer company called Portraits of the Abandoned United States. So this really spoke to me because I have really been missing theater in the last year and have only recently started going to shows again. So I'm excited to put that in my house. All right, let's get back home and wrap up a couple of things before our picnic this evening. I started celebrating the Shabbats with Halloween of 2020. I was in academia for most of my life, and I had gotten used to the seasonal rhythms. But especially with the way that 2020 was going, I knew I needed some new rhythm to my life. Celebrating the Wheel of the Year holidays helped bring some of that back. I observe each of the holidays by connecting with nature, spending some time outside, trying a new recipe, practicing gratitude, and spending time with good friends. Thanks for spending the day with me as I celebrated Beltane. I hope you enjoyed this deviation from the usual sewing content, and there will be more witchy adventures in the future. Till then, take care, friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you back here soon at Salem with my next adventure.